Hey, would you like to build a recession responsive business? I bet right now you wish you had one. Wish you had built it. Wish you had invested time into it. Well, hang with me because I'm going to give you 10 ways that you can build a recession responsive business coming up shortly. Hey tribe, let's do this. You're only one video away from your breakthrough, and this may be the one. I want to show you 10 steps of building a recession responsive business. Now, rather than give you all 10 right now, this would be like a 30-40 minute video. I'm breaking this up into parts. So I'm going to build a playlist, and it's going to have 5 parts to it. And I'll cover different points in each of the parts. And when you complete it, you're going to have the 10 steps for you to build your recession responsive business. Let's start off with step number 1. Step number 1, be debt free. Now that's the existence you want to have. So you have to build it. Now you have to make, if you're a thirsty warrior, you have to be committed and dedicated and disciplined. Those are traits of a thirsty warrior, particularly a business warrior, which is what we're all about. You have to be committed to build a business and a life that is debt-free. Start right now. We're going into a recession. It's obvious. You're sitting around, you're probably thinking, you have these thoughts, oh my God, what am I going to do? Business is shut down. I've been talking to my staff. They're freaking. Stop. Let's get a hold of ourselves and let's see the opportunity in this to reboot your business. Past, business, starting now, the recession is an opportunity for you to build a new business. Solid ground, a foundational business that's responsive to recessions, and you will be able to navigate through anything that comes your way. Get debt free. Now I'm going to give you a great tool. I've used this for a number of years. I've turned many of my clients onto it, and it's going to help you figure out how you can get debt free. It's a calculator. Go to vertex42.com. They have many different financial calculators. You're going to love it. But the one I particularly want you to tune into is their debt reduction calculator. You can download it to an Excel spreadsheet, to a Google's, what do they call Google's, call their spreadsheet? Sheets, Google Sheets. And you'll be able to enter in the information. They have a how-to video to watch. It's really cool. And it's going to show you a couple techniques how to rapidly get out of debt. So that's the first thing you want to establish. The second thing you want to accomplish to be a business that is recession responsive is you have to, say have to, write it down, I have to create a 6-month emergency relief fund. Now you've heard this before, people tell you all the time. A lot of the financial gurus, they're all saying, oh, you got to get debt free and you got to have 6-month emergency fund. Well, here's what I'm telling you, friends. You've heard it. Now it's time to do it. If there's been nothing in your life, an external force or pressure that's come upon you, that has bared down on you to cause you to finally act, I'm encouraging you. I'm with you. I'm here to help you. You must build a 6-month. Now, how am I going to do that? Well, Gary, business is down, the money's slowed down, I don't have any clients coming in. You have to build a mindset around this. You have to build a habit around this. Right now, while you're on your downtime, go through your house, find all the garbage that you've purchased, the stuff you didn't need, you bought impulsively, put them up on eBay, sell it, turn it into cash, go out and create a savings account. Call it the name of your business - emergency relief fund and put the money in it and get started now. Once business starts back up again, commit every single week. How often now? Weekly, not daily, not monthly, not quarterly, not yearly. Every week. You take a small portion of your revenues, of your profits, and you put it into that fund. And hands off. Don't touch it. If you will do the first 2 steps of the 10 you're going to get, and that is to get debt-free and have a lifestyle that is debt-free, both business and personal, and 2, you will create a 6-month emergency relief fund and get it built up for 6 months worth of income that you would need if anything like this happens again, you're on your way to being a recession responsive business. If you like this, hit the like button, join our tribe and subscribe, hit the notification bell for future videos coming up, and let's go to part 2.